ZEROBASEONE. I keep on saying S for some reason. It's 0, 0, not Seto. Sorry. We're gonna be checking out ZB1, ZEROBASEONE in Bloom, their debut. They're from Boys Planet. Obviously, from the reality show, they already got like a fan base too. I don't know who's your favorite from ZEROBASEONE, ZB1. I do love me a good Ricky. So without further ado, we're gonna be checking out ZEROBASEONE, ZB1 in Bloom. Let's go. If the captions on HD, they're sleeping. Oh, it's glitched. Oh, I like how it's starting. Dun, dun, dun. Ooh. Hey. Ooh, it sounds refreshing as hell. Ooh. Woo! Oh, who made the beat of this? What in the... Wait. Damn! Stage 2. Oh, this is fire. Okay. Oh, they take care of a garden? Whoa. Failed. Zero car wash. Hey, shout to Ricky. Ooh. Ooh. Oh, it's a really good debut song. I like this. Ooh, it got me tapping my feet like. Wait, what is it dance? I love it. Okay, sir. Ooh. Okay. Ooh, okay, vocals in the background too. Hey. It's just it gives a good bounce to it, like. Aw, that's cute. My day begins with you. That's adorable. Aw. Oh. Oh, okay. They look so wholesome, adorable, and all this. Who's gonna clean all these flowers? Stage clear. Interesting. Youth in the Shade, ZEROBASEONE. Wow. Who the hell said they down bad? Just straight from the very beginning too. Like glitched butterfly. So are they like in a simulation? Yes, they did sample Take On Me. No shot. Is that let me see. ZEROBASEONE in Bloom. Oh, it's actually true. Okay, like I was just searching it up right now, and it says ZEROBASEONE. What is this? In Bloom is a sample of Aha's Take On Me. The video is comparison of both songs. Yeah, It is. This is really good. I mean, like, I feel like every time, or at least most times, when these project groups, and I mean project groups meaning like they take individuals and put a group for a show, usually they have really good debut songs. Usually. I've always been impressed since 101. Woo! That sample fire. Ooh, and it does feel fresh with the white flowers, the plants. It's like breathable. They're wearing very loose, breathable clothing too. It doesn't feel like constraint, and it feels fresh, like brand new, like a debut song should sound like. But also it's really catchy and earwormy, cause also with a Take On Me sample. I like the choreo too. It's pretty catchy. I'm thoroughly impressed. Impressed. ZB1, ZEROBASEONE. Good job. Shout out to the editing team, the production team. Shout out to the lighting department, the boys, of course. Director of photography, composer, mixing engineer did a good job. Whew. Well, damn. 5th gen, I feel old. That's what I'm saying, girl.
Hey, you better subscribe.
If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on Jrekml. I'm there every day.